it was quite beefy.
It's as good, if not better, than most mowers I've used.
Mean and powerful.
Better than the seat in my GMC.
Most impressive thing I thought was the striping ability.
Durability of the deck is going to last over a lifetime.
Well, I think these could go toe-to-toe with any other model out there on the market right now.
This machine has good power in any condition. Very well built.
It has a beautiful cut and handles the
It's very heavy.
Bottom line, this is one tough built and tough looking machine.
We've heard a lot from our dealers and from our end customers. We began listening to what they needed. Then we went back, sat behind the computers, started drawing. We started acting on what we heard. All that came together over the past 2 years to where we finally started building what needed to be built. Pro Z has been a huge project for us. We took a lot of time to get this right. We had 28 dealers, 100 landscapers, thousands of hours of testing.
One thing I do love about the Pro Z is the thickness of our deck, 7-gauge steel. Also, our frame is welded, all steel frame. It's very durable.
The seat, the cushion, the ergonomics of the machine, the materials, it's very comfortable, especially when you're using it 8 to 10 hours a day. They're able to hold hills really well, no slippage whatsoever. I think these could go toe-to-toe with any other model out there on the market right now.
I think the American landscaper is going to love this product from the first time he sits on the seat.